Hey fuckers. Are you allowed to open up a YouTube video like that? I don't care, whatever. Anyways, this is a cooking video that I've been holding on to for a while because it's garbage. So I've decided that a while ago, which is the reason I haven't put up any more videos recently, that I wasn't going to make any more goddamn cooking videos without a proper goddamn setup because it's driving me through the goddamn roof doing it with a phone and burning my hand and cutting things wrong because, you know, I'm like holding a knife and doing this with a fucking phone at the same time and shit. Yeah, I'm over it. So I do have the supplies now, magically. Yeah, I just got it in the mail. Whatever, it doesn't matter to you. Anyways, I was told to release this video anyways by my friends, so deal with the shitty ass quality of it, and the next video will be much better. First things first, we are making some fucking Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. You put them in a bag. You cover them in garlic, and you fucking put in sugar, pepper, paprika, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. Yes, you double up on the garlic because fuck you, that's right. Now, you can just do it like that, or what I recommend is storing it in your ass overnight, or the fridge if you don't have an ass. Spread them out nice and evenly on a fucking cooking sheet. Or don't. I don't really care. We're gonna throw it in the oven, 400 degrees. We're gonna leave it in there for some fucking period of time until they're done. 20, 30, 40 minutes, however long it takes, because this oven sucks. This, it's a fucking pork tenderloin I got from the fucking store, already seasoned. Fat cap up. Same thing. Oh god, that went too far in. There. Fucking, yeah, 40 minutes. I don't know. Whatever. Just keep checking. Look at this shit. You ever mince ginger? No? Good, you're in for a treat, because it's a fucking pain in the ass. First, you gotta peel off all the gross shit, because it's a root. Now, luckily, if you have a fancy peeler like I do, this is actually quite easy. If not, work on your knifing skills and try not to take off one of your fucking fingers while you're doing this dumb shit. Look at this. Fucking takes fucking forever. Like, it's so dumb. It's fucking worth it, though. This stuff's really good. Fucking use it in everything if I could. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Fibrous as fuck. See that? See that? Isn't that beautiful? If you could smell this right now, you'd be like, God damn. That smells like some fucking ginger. And I'd be like, well, you know. That's why. You're in for a fucking surprise. It's ginger. God. I look fucking terrible today. I haven't slept in 3 days. I'm not fucking making a YouTube video because I'm not in the fucking mood for it, but I had to cook up all this food before it goes bad, and I won't have time over the next few days because I'm working. Okay, that shit's done. Now, we bring it over here. I don't fucking know. Move the garlic out of the way so you can see. Whatever. I don't care. Ginger. You need like that much because a little bit goes a long ways. Now, you cannot just cut up ginger and cook it like that. No, you need to mince this shit. Mince the fuck out of it, or else you're gonna have a bad time. Now, mincing is easy if you own a mincer. It's not complicated if you don't, unless you don't have a fat knife like I have right here, because you're gonna use the knife to mince it, and I'll show you what I mean. So, you do that shit, just like that, right? And you cover it, and you press down on it like you're fucking mad at it for being an asshole or sleeping with your wife. That's not funny. Yeah, just like that. Get it all nice and crushity-uppity. You see that shit? And just keep going back and forth and keep crushing and cutting and crushing and chopping and crushing and chopping until there's not much left. Kind of like your will to live. Or my will to live. Who knows? Whatever. I don't fucking care. Just keep doing that. It's great. I bought a lot of ginger, by the way, so, but it'll last a long time because it's a root. So luckily, it's not something that you need to use immediately. Y'all mean? Y'all mean. Okay, that's good enough. I'm too lazy to mince it any more than that. But you should mince it more than that. Don't be fucking lazy, okay? Put all that on there, too. Look, I got the whole fucking thing of ginger now. What am I going to use it for? I don't fucking know. Maybe I'll put it in a salad. Oh, God, it's going to taste terrible. I love it.
don't know why I'm still recording. I've runneth out of things to say. Anyways, yep, good enough. I don't care. It's for me, not for anybody else. Nobody else can see it, because nobody else is in my life. Wash your hands. Be an animal. Alright, moving on.
Fucking tired and running out of time to, like, get this done. So, alright, I throw all that on the stove and fucking, like, what is that, medium high? Medium high. All of it. I also already cut up the green onion. And obviously the shallot part, which is the thicker part, goes in there, and the rest is a garnish to be used later. You can tell because this shit's really thin, whereas the thicker stuff will look white, like that right there. Got it? Good. Now, for the next part, we're gonna fucking wash up these goddamn mushrooms in here, and snow peas. I got both in here because we're gonna add it to it. They will get added later because they cook too quickly. Now, I know nobody gives a fuck about these because nobody likes mushrooms, and very few people like snow peas, so do whatever the fuck you want with them. I'm gonna cut the mushrooms in half, quarters, whatever, to put them in later. The snow peas, you could cook those whole. They take less than a few minutes, so you could just add them in around the same time you add in the mushrooms. You know, whatever, no biggie. Just do you, okay? Now, you're gonna want to keep stirring this concoction of fuckery until your goddamn potatoes are like golden brown. Notice how they're kind of getting there? That's good. But you need to stir because you need every side of them to look like that. And if you can't get every side of them to look like that, fucking throw it away and start over again. Because you're fucking doing it wrong. Just kidding, don't throw it away, it's fine. Anyways, I'm not paying enough attention to this, so it's starting to get stuck a little bit, because that's what ginger and garlic does when you put it in a fucking pan, is it sticks to everything, which is why it's really hard to clean. The more you know. Anyways, yeah, just keep stirring that shit, put a lid on it, so it cooks, put a lid on it, so it cooks faster. See? Lid? Boom. I know, the lid's too big. Like I always say, I do have a lid that fits this pan, but it's somewhere the fuck in this heap of shit, and I'm not going through it to find it. You're totally fucked and forgot to check on your fucking Brussels sprouts? Well, make sure you check on your Brussels sprouts so they don't fucking burn, because you're a piece of shit. Actually, these, yeah, fuck it. A few more minutes, I don't give a fuck. Eat a dick. That was bad. Somebody's not impressed with my cooking antics today. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, we are almost ready to put in everything else. You know what? Fuck me, I don't give a fuck. Put everything else in. Look at this shit. Boom. Take that. Boom. Take that too. What? Way too many fucking mushrooms for one person, but I had to use them up, and I live alone, so fucking nothing ever makes sense when I buy shit. It's always for like a package to feed an entire fucking family, so I always end up having too much fucking food to cook. Yep, that's it too. I hope this gives you a seizure, by the way, with my constant going back and forth. Actually, I hope it doesn't. That's really mean. Boom. There. Let that shit cook down for a few minutes. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. In the meantime, you might want to start cleaning up the massive mess you made so you don't have an anxiety attack while you're cooking, because I'm that kind of person. Chris, how do you know when your Brussels sprouts are done? Well, that's easy. They don't fucking cream when you fucking stab them. Like that, motherfuckers. See? They're done. Now, almost like the Brussels sprouts, potatoes are done when you can put a fork through them without much effort, like that. See how it fell right off? This shit is good to go. So I'm just going to leave it off because it's going to hold plenty of heat, and it will get added to the soup later. Yes, I know, I'm not paying attention, and I'm not even showing you what the fuck I'm doing, am I? Get the fuck out of here. Fucking weird-ass penis mushroom. I'm going to eat it. It was a weird sentence. Okay, hot water, hot, boiling hot water. Make it. A lazy piece of shit like me and fucking put a tinfoil down over your goddamn cooking sheet so it doesn't look like this when you're done. Because now it's going to take me an hour to scrub that shit because I'm an idiot. Add your hard ramen to a pot of fucking boiling water and wait until it's soft ramen. Now, your fucking tenderloin allegedly should be done. I say allegedly because this oven is a bitch. It doesn't know how to cook anything right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now, you're gonna want to take that fucker out and let it rest for 5 minutes. Don't start fucking with it now. It's kind of like good sex. You can't just jump back into it after being really, really hot and heavy for a while. You gotta rest for a few minutes. I have no clue what I'm talking about. I'm a fucking virgin. Now that your ramen has magically turned into soft ramen through the power of fucking witchcraft, you're gonna want to add the flavoring packets that came with it. Both of them. There's 2 of them. I seem to have lost one. There it is. Jesus, get your shit together. Do this. You're just gonna watch from here, okay? Just watch the fucking magic happen. Yeah, there. Yep. Alright, so seasoning powders. Oh yeah, look at that. That shit's magical, isn't it? Yeah, just throw that shit in there. And then this weird-ass fucking flavoring packet, which is the seasoning sauce. I already forgot what the... I can't even fucking open the thing. Fuck. Alright, fancy handed. Just like that. Yeah, fucking perfect. There we go. Oh yeah, just squeeze that bitch right in. Oh, yes. This is what I'm talking about. Now you're gonna want to clear your throat because you've got like stage 4 lung cancer or some shit like that. I don't know. Grab a fucking spoon and just mix that up so it's like turns into an actual fucking soup. Look at, oh my god, look at that. This is really looking like something. Is this real life? No way, is this real life? It smells like real life. Boom! Beautiful. Now, turn the fucking heat off so it doesn't keep cooking. And the next thing we're gonna do is touch this really fucking hot pan with our bare hands. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna fucking stab this bitch. Come on, let go. Let go. Come on, thank you. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh, God, hold on. Alright, turn this, just turn it around. Just turn it around. Now comes the fun part of seeing whether or not it's actually cooked. The fucking oven, I can never goddamn tell. Yes, my cat's crying at the door because she wants to go outside and kill the fucking animals, but we're not going to allow that to happen. Oh my god. Look at that. Look, it's actually cooked. Look at that shit. No way. My oven wasn't a whore today. This is the best day of my life. My goodness. And now I can use the rest of this for like sandwiches and shit. Because I'm not going to be eating soup for the next 4 fucking days because I have teeth. That's what I'm talking about. Fuck yeah. So now what the fuck are we going to do? We're going to take our fucking stupid ass little like ladle thing here. And we just want, not all of it, which never really kind of goes how you want it to. Because I just want a little bit. I just want a little bit. And we're going to put it right there. Yeah, perfect. Alright, perfect. Okay, I'm in the process of buying something, so I no longer have to do this shit with like one fucking hand, because it is literally the hardest goddamn thing to do. Alright. My bad. We're going to come over here. And we're just going to scoop some of this goody stuff right into... Well, we're going to move this closer, obviously. Right into the soup. Put it like on right like that. Should get a little bit of everything now. Equal opportunity eatings here. Alright, come on. Give me another one of those. Beautiful. You see that? Nice and good. Perfect. Gourd, even. Move that back over there. Then we're going to move the broth back, because now we got to pour the broth out. And I have the perfect tool for that. It's called a ladle, or a spoon if you're fat. Oh god, let go. And we're just going to take a little bit. Perfect. You see that? We'll add a little bit more. Beautiful. And then, what we're going to do is check this shit. Ready? It's going to get better. Just give me a second. See how we got that? Now, here's what we're gonna do. This is some Korean apple pear barbecue sauce. Normally I would make it look better than that, but I'm trying to do it while looking at it through the phone. So it's not actually going that well for me. And then... and... oh, nope, just a little bit more. I left the spot. Beautiful. Fucking garnished. Boom. Eat that shit. I guess I'll fucking... just go eat it with my cats. Fuck.